decline. I don't know about you, but I know I'm gonna be fine. I gave you my all. Oh, you think that you're sick when you're running it. Now you're belling off my line like an ambulance. Say no family, I'm done with it. No, no emergency. Baby, no, I ain't missing you. I'ma block you soon, you a bugaboo, baby. But come available. And I know that I'll find a better you.
Baby, you were meant for me. And baby, maybe it was meant to be. But the only time I've ever seen you sweet is when you saw us on the scene with the black-eyed peas. So when you call, I'ma turn behind. Girl, a year ago, you were never hitting my line. So when that phone light up, better grow right up. Best know that you never seen bros like us.
Come through with the moves and the flavor. Baby gal born and rap in Manila. You ain't seen nothing like me. The Filipino groove 1, 2, come and vibe with me. Baby, pick up your jaw. Now listen to me sing as I mash up the floor. I was always there for you, no. I was always on time, and I gave you my all. So now you call, I decline. Now I don't know about you, but I know I'm gonna be fine. I gave you my all. Now, baby, you don't get to play me. When you call, I decline.
Okay. Welcome to the virtual Spizzot. Hit the ITV hub to see more freaking episodes, or hit this button right here and subscribe. That's that virtual Spizzot.